Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nettie from Nettie's Hair Teak, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be answering this comment that was left on my how to design a free or low cost website. And it just basically says that, they're having difficulties adding products with the prices for different lengths for wigs and things like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. So here I'm on my old I Hear You website. And it was perfect because I had deleted all of the products off of here. So I figured, I can show you guys how it looks. I'm doing it from scratch. Yes, I still have my website up. I'm going to get rid of it soon. I was going to use it for something else, but that's another story. So here we go. So I'm going to click on add the product. And this is how the form looks when you open it up. So I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to just start to quickly write anything in there. You want to make sure that you're writing a really good description of your product, letting your customers know exactly what it is. So I'm just going to write anything in the box, and then I'm going to add a name, and I'm also going to just upload a picture. So now that that's done, I'm going to go on down here to the bottom of the application or the form, whatever it is. And I'm just going to add the weight. I like to add the weight. So when I do go to ship, the weight is kind of there. I just use like the average weight of what my boxes usually weigh. And then I'm going to go down and I'm just going to fill this out too, because I do international shipping. And if you do international shipping, you should definitely be filling this in. This is important information that needs to go on the custom form. So you want to make sure that you're putting in what the product is. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to start to add the variant in. And you can add whatever variants you want. I find that doing it like this just makes my form a lot easier. So I'm going to put in length, and then I'm going to put in the lengths 10 to 20. I'm not going to go all the way to 30. You guys get the point. I'm just going to go up to 20 inches for now. And then I am going to put in the prices for those different lengths. I saved it, but I went back to put it to draft because you definitely want to have the product in draft with, until you're finished with it. So I'm going to select all of the links, and then I'm going to click on bulk edit, and bulk edit is going to bring me to this page. Now, if you see in the upper right hand corner, there is a column list there, and you can put whatever columns that you want to work with. Right now, I'm just working with price and cost per item. Those are the two important things that you definitely want to have down. So I'm going to put some random prices in just so you guys can get the idea of how to do this. And I'm also going to put some random prices into the cost per item. Cost per item is important, especially when it comes to your finances, when you're filing taxes and things like that. So you definitely want to add in your cost per item. And you'll also be able to see the percentage of your margin, your profit margin, when you do this. Okay, and after I add in these random numbers, I'm going to bring you guys, I'm going to save it, of course, and then I'm going to bring you guys back to the product page so you can see the input. Okay, so now you see all of the prices that I inputted on that page is there. So now when the customer comes on, they'll be able to click their length, and the price and everything will show up for the link that they select. So now I'm going to bring you guys over to the app that I use on my website. And this app is going to allow me to put in whatever options that I want for the product. So now I mentioned this app YMQ. I mentioned this on a video that I made a while back about the apps that I use on Shopify that are very helpful. And this is definitely one of the apps that I use. I've been using this for a while. So I'm going to just run through it real quick, just to show you guys how helpful that the app is. So I'm going to click on one of my products on here, and I'm going to open it up just to show you a form. So now this is Heather, and my wig Heather, and she is a pre-order wig. So the links is there. You can see that on the top, that is my options that are from Shopify. And on the form, I added the circumference, and I added, you know, a whole bunch of other things, styling and things like that. Choose your lace and things. So when the customers come on, they'll be able to customize this the way that they want. All right. And I'm going to pull up the field box. I'm sorry, the field box. This is the field box. So when you open this up, there's a bunch of options you can choose from. So you can customize your page the way that you want. I mainly use the checkbox. That just makes life so much easier to just come on and just click, 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 whatever options that they want. They also have a file upload, which is very useful for customers to send you inspo pics. So if they have a picture saved that they want you to, you know, copy, or they want their unit to look like, they can just upload it onto the order and you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to click on the checkbox just so you can see, you know, it in real time. This is how the form looks, and then you can just put in whatever option that you want. I'm just going to put color, and then I'm going to randomly just add some stuff to it. And I'm also going to add the prices on the side so you can see how it looks. See that is at the bottom. This is what I just added. The prices that I added on is there. You can move this to wherever you want. You can you know, put your options in whatever order that you like. So now I'm going to go to my website just so you can see how it looks on the website. It looks exactly how it is here. So when the customers come on, this is exactly what they're going to see. They're going to be able to pick their length, and then they're going to be able to pick from these options. Okay, so this is Heather on my website, and like I said, it looks exactly like the form. The links are there. They can pick whatever length they want, and they can also choose from the options. Now I'm going to show you my custom form. This is for people that want to create their own unit from scratch. They have the lengths, and it has a bunch of options here, of course, because they're creating a unit from scratch. So I want to make sure that they, you know, have enough options to choose from to get what they want. And if anything is not here, of course, they can always contact me and, you know, ask me whatever questions they like. But most people come on and they just fill out this form, and it just makes it so much easier. And I'm going to just click on some random things. You see at the bottom where it says selection add-on, that's going to show exactly what's going to add on to the price. And once they put this in the cart, they can see exactly all the options that they picked. And once they check out and place the order, I'm going to be able to see all the options that they selected on the order form. So everything carries over, as well as the price, everything is there. So I'm just want to show you guys an actual order that's on my page right now. This is an order that I'm working on. It was from a new customer. And as you can see, I can see everything that she chose from those product options. And I know exactly what she wants and how to create her wig. All right. So I hope this video was super helpful. I hope that you guys, were able to learn from this. If you have any other questions, please let me know. And until next time, bye bye.